Hello friends, welcome to my channel to watch more creative videos on machine learning using Python using Streamlit. We have gone through many lot of videos on attendance system using Streamlit. We have gone through many videos on Streamlit such as face detection, face recognition, many videos, age and gender classification, many videos, image classification, many videos, fruits and vegetable classification, then facial emotion recognition, sentiment analysis, and latest video image processing, and many more videos on Streamlit. Today's video is really creative. Today's video is the best video of attendance system, really the best video of attendance system. So let us go through the program. First of all, I will show the initial state of the program. Here images are not there, fine. Then I use SQLite first time for database. This is about the syntax of SQLite, and here that's all. Now we will go through the main file, that is, this is about the main file. First of all, there will be registration, then attendance will be marked, and view the attendance. In this sequence the program will work fine. Yes. Now I will execute the program. Yes, fine. I will increase the font. Yes, fine. Now first of all we will do the registration. I will take the image of mine, sanjay.jpg, fine. Then mark username Sanjay. Yes, user Sanjay registered successfully. Now what I will do, mark the attendance. Yes, mark the attendance to start the webcam. Yes, my image is there. Yes, Sanjay has been registered here. Fine. It is marking. Now I will view the attendance. Yes, Sanjay has been marked. Time and date has been noted successfully. So I successfully done with very interesting, creative and innovative videos on attendance system using Streamlit. So this is the power of Streamlit. So keep watching my videos, latest videos on attendance system, image classification, facial emotion recognition on Streamlit. So I will be back with more and more creative videos on machine learning using Python, Keras, TensorFlow, CNN, image classification, then if possible image classification, image processing, and if possible Node.js and React.js, MERN stack and full stack. So keep watching my videos on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.